Welcome to this video. In this video I will talk about how to remember all what you read. Okay, when we read something we tend to forget our stuff. Okay, because why it happens like this? Because we always do passive reading. Okay, we just read our stuff. For example, this is a paragraph, we just read it out and just keep it aside, and then second time when we open that chapter or a topic, we feel like we we did we did not remember anything, okay, from that topic or the subject. So I will talk about this in this video, that how to remember all those IMP stuff, okay, which is required for the exam, and how to recall it during exam. So whenever you are doing the first reading, okay, you should read everything and mark what is important out of that topic. Okay, mark what is IMP. Now when you are doing the second reading, how you can mark is you can highlight them or underline them. Then second reading, you need to read those ticked one, okay, that IMP part. In this way your time will not be consumed, and you will only read what is necessary to be read. Okay, and without wasting much of your time, you will remember all those important stuff and you will be able to recall them before exam and during exams. So how you should read is it should be active reading. What I mean by active reading is you should have all your senses active. Okay, means your auditory, speech, writing center, okay, that all should work together. When you are reading, keep a book by your side. You should also write when you are reading. In this way your senses will be active, so you will remember much more. Then you can also teach others what you have read. You can make mnemonics to remember those volatile topics. You can make story out of the topics. I have made videos on this, okay, on regarding pharmacology, with regard to pharmacology videos. I've given some examples, okay, how to make mnemonics, how to make stories, so you can watch them if you want. Then payment techniques. In this, what you need to do is you should read a topic, try to understand the topic, and then teach others. Okay, this way you will know what you have understood, what you haven't. Okay, so this will make the topic more clear in your brain and you will remember this for a longer time. So this technique is very much useful if you can practice it, because this will help you remember it for a longer time. Okay, you can make a group, a study group, and you should every day decide that give topics to each member of your group, and tell them to read their topic and explain it the next day. This way you will this will help you to remember your stuff better. Then revising notes. This is very much important for uh, converting those short term memory into long term memory. Revising is the key. Without revising you cannot remember your subject for a longer time. So what I advise is you should revise it, okay, regularly. For example, you have read the topic on day 1, then next day, 5 minutes before you start studying, just have a look of the topic, and then after 3 to 4 days again revise it. Now you need to revise only IMP or the ticked one from your topic. In this way it will retain in your memory and it will convert from short term into long term, and this will be useful. Okay, and for this will be useful, and you will remember what you have read for a longer time. So yeah, that's all for this video.